Welcome to A&L RV Sales. Here's a walkthrough video of one of our great units from our huge selection. For over 25 years, A&L RV Sales has followed a simple principle: offer quality products, back them up with quality service, and most of all, make the customer's overall experience as enjoyable and hassle-free as possible. A&L RV Sales has multiple locations to serve you. We started our business out of a passion for camping that we experienced firsthand with our families, and we built our reputation on going the extra mile through timely, consistent service with well-informed employees, as well as a full inventory of parts and accessories. We pay attention to the many little things that can make a big difference to you down the road. To us, there is no higher priority than your satisfaction, because we just don't want to have your business. We want to keep being the RVer's friend. So visit one of our convenient locations today and find your adventure.